Hey fam, welcome back to my channel. If you're new to my channel, my name is Carolyn and my channel is a lifestyle channel where you will follow us on our journey to becoming debt-free as well as financially stable. And today I'm going to go over some perfumes that I bought from Dossier. I bought 5 that just came and I had 2 originally. So let's go over the 2 that I had already because I'm not sure if I went over these or not. So the first one that I'm going to go over is something that I've already had, and this is Floral Jasmine. But this one has clary sage, vanilla. It has jasmine, lang lang, broom flower, pepper, bergamot. And this one, you can smell the jasmine in it, and you can smell the bergamot. The vanilla, not so much, but it smells really good. So this is what the bottle looks like. And again, this is a perfume by Dossier, and it smells so good. So far, I have not found one that I did not like of theirs. The next one that we're going to go over is the Amber Vanilla, and it has mandarin, pear, pink pepper, licorice, jasmine, orange blossom, cedarwood, vanilla, and coffee. And this one is one of my favorites. It's got a sweet smell to it. You can smell the vanilla, the orange blossom, the cedarwood, the jasmine. It smells sweet. It smells really, really good. And the thing that I like about these, their lids are magnetic. So you're not going to lose the lids, especially if you got it close to it. But this one is the second one that I got. And as you can tell, I've used this one a lot. I've also used this one, but not as much as this one. So I'm probably going to end up ordering another one of these. And then I have 5 that I have not unboxed. And this is what their packaging looks like. And this one, it comes like this. And it has a little card that comes with it. The next one I got is the Emery Saffron. And that's what that looks like. And all of their packaging pretty much looks the same. I love the bottles that they have. And this one is, it has notes of saffron, orange blossom. The middle notes is jasmine, plum, cedarwood, and the base notes is oak moss, fern blossom, and amber. So let's see what this smells like. Ooh, that smells really good. Ooh, that smells really good. Let's see. Yes, I like this. It's not too fruity. You can smell the amber in it. You can smell the saffron. You can also smell the orange blossom. It's not too sweet, but it's a hint of sweet to it. And it smells really good. So the next that we're going to try is Powdery Hawthorn. Let's see. And this is what this looks like. And like I said, their packaging is pretty much the same. It has the magnetic lid. And this one, ooh, that smells good too. And this one has hawthorn. It has orange blossom, vanilla, amberetta. And this smells, ooh, okay. This one is more, you can smell the hints of the flower. It's more of a subtle powdery smell. I wouldn't say it's powdery, but it's more of a subtle smell. but you can pick up the hints of the vanilla and the orange blossom in it. And it does smell really good. So far, I like all the ones that I've gotten. So let's move on to the next one. The next one is the Gourmand White Flowers. And this one, this is what that looks like. Let's see if I can get it to focus. It has notes of bergamot, green tea, berries, white flowers, orchid, rose, musk, caramel, and vanilla. Sounds interesting. Oh my goodness. This one smells really good. You can smell the vanilla, the caramel. You can smell the bergamot. Oh, it smells good. You can also smell the musk and the white flowers. So this is a good mixture of everything that they have. It has a sweet smell to it, yet you can smell the flowers through it. Oh my goodness. Guys, so far that is 5 out of 7 that I like. So we're going to move on to the next one. The next one that we're going to try is the Fruity Almond. And that is what that looks like. And this one, the top notes are almond and peach. It has a middle note of orris, orange blossom, and tuber rose. The base notes are tonka bean, vanilla, and cocoa. Ooh. That smells pretty good. You can smell the hints of the almond and the cocoa. You can also smell the orange blossom in it. And a hint of the peach. It's a sweet smell, yet it's not too sweet. But it does smell really good. So, last but not least, we have Woody Oak Moss. And it has the top notes of bergamot, orange, and peach. Have a middle note of jasmine rose, and the bottom notes are oak moss, vanilla, and vetiver. I'm not sure what a vetiver is, but it's in here. So let's see what this smells like. On this one, I definitely smell the bergamot. I smell the oak moss and the jasmine. The hint of vanilla and the hint of the orange. But I don't really smell the peach. And I do smell the rose. But it does smell really good. It's a light, subtle smell. It's not as fruity as the rest of them. Even though it does have fruits in it, but it does smell good. I have 7 different bottles. As I stated, the Fruity Almond, the Woody Moss, the Gourmand White Flowers, the Powdery Hawthorn, the Ambery Saffron, the Ambery Vanilla, and the Floral Jasmine. This is not a sponsored video. I do like perfumes, so I go out and I try different perfumes, and I thought that I would share the perfumes that I have been trying with you. Like I said, Dossier is a company that makes dupes of higher end perfumes. And if you want to try out the perfumes before spending the high dollar money, this is a good place to come. I have been posting them on my TikTok and on my Instagram page. So check this company out. I will leave the link in the description box below. So I just wanted to share this with you, and like I said, this is not a sponsored video. It's just perfumes that I wanted to try, that I spent my money on to see what they smelled like, because I did not want to spend the high dollar on the perfume. But Dossier, sponsor me. I will be buying more. Like I said, I like all of their perfumes so far. They always have perfumes on sale. They range from $29, I want to say, to $49, depending on what you get and which one you like. If you don't want to pay up front for them, they do afterpay. I believe that you can use the 4-plan payment off of PayPal, depending on how much the price is. I do love perfumes, so I'm trying out different perfumes that I've always wanted to try and just could not afford to get the actual high price perfume. So please stay tuned for more videos. I will be sitting down doing my end of the week budget video and doing my next week's budget. Cash stuffing. I will also be counting my dollars, as well as money that I'm going to swap out in my cash envelopes and send back to the bank. I am working on a video. I'm not sure how I'm going to address this video, but I'm being led to talk about this particular subject, and it is a SA survivor video. I don't want to say what it really is because I don't want to get dinged by YouTube. So stay tuned for that as soon as I figure out how I want to discuss it, and if I want to put it up on YouTube or not. So with that being said, if you enjoyed this video, please give us a thumbs up. I would greatly appreciate it, and it would help my channel out. And if you made it through this long on this video, please consider subscribing to my channel and joining the family. We would love to have you. But that is all for this video, fam. Please like, share, and subscribe. And don't forget to hit the notification button so that you'll be notified next time I upload a video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye, fam.